Hey everyone! Today we're spotlighting O4 Mini, one of ChatGPT's most efficient models for what we'll be doing today, like precise, fast math problem solving. So, whether you're dealing with dense equations or practical problem scenarios and such, well, this model that we'll be trying it out is built to reason clearly and quickly. Now, let me show you how to switch it over to that mode and what it can really do for us. So first things first, let's make sure you're using the right model. Head up to the upper left corner right here. Then click the model switcher, which is right this one, ChatGPT 4.0, with the arrow next to them. Boom. And a drop-down will appear with several model options right here from the list. Select O for Mini right here, fastest at advanced reasoning. Okay, so especially with this come in handy with technical tasks like math and logic. There we go, easy peasy. Let's see it in action right about now. So why don't we throw in like a real challenge? We'll start with a high-level algebraic expression involving like fractions, square roots, and exponents. Something you'd expect to see on a university exam. Here's my prompt. Right over here, solve the following equation step by step and simplify your final answer. Then show how you isolate like x and explain why each transformation is valid. And here it is, very complicated equation right here. Okay, just this kind of problem usually trips people up halfway through. But let's see if O4 Mini right here can break it down clearly. Okay, now let's send this off. Now, okay, let's wait for a bit. Okay, O4 Mini, here it is. Look at that. It's solving the equation. All right. You can see, as you can see, the process. There we go. Here it is with the step by step, with the solution and everything. And here's downward here, the final answer. Look at that. It's quite impressive. See right here with the careful attention to domain restrictions, to checking for extraneous roots, squaring right here. See, look how complicated it is. With the process from the ones we just witnessed down here, ChatGPT within seconds just showed us how quick it is to solve the very complex equation with the step-by-step here. Look at that. Really, really, really awesome right here from ChatGPT 4 Mini. That model, that is. So look at that. Really explained with each line of reasoning in a way that makes sense. The radicals and quadratic logic. And looking down right over here. Pretty impressive. Once more, I must say. I like it. Nice. Now let's shift from pure math from earlier to like applied problem solving. Something more grounded in a real world scenario. So just like this one in my prompt, here's an example. Let's say a person invests $10,000 into a savings account that offers a 4.5% annual interest rate, compounded quarterly, that is. How much money will be in the account after 6 years? Show all steps, include the compound interest formula, and explain how each value is plugged in. Also, to ChatGPT, explain the benefit of quarterly compounding over annual compounding. Yeah, that's a lot to go through from ChatGPT through the model of 04 mini. Sorry about that. Had to make sure. So yeah, this one is more about process than the symbolic solving or what you would think of. And yep, this is can be more fitting enough with 04 mini, this model right here. All right, let's send this off right about now. Okay. 04 mini is currently thinking. There we go. It's analyzing code. Yep. Here it is. Here's the following. And here's the explanation. There we go. Within just seconds, here it is. Step by step. And why quarterly compounding yields more than annual compounding. There we go. It's more detailed and how to work the problem step by step. On here, recall the compound interest formula. See right here, it's really clearly laid out nicely. It substituted each value and all, did the math. There we go. And by the end, financial reasoning. So yeah, this is the kind of breakdown that you'd hope to see in like any tutoring sessions and all. So yeah, this is quite helpful. And so overall, whether you're tackling advanced algebra or real-world finance problems, so for Mini delivers fast, focused, and accurate reasoning every step of the way. So if you find this video helpful overall, don't forget to subscribe to get you notified whenever we post a new video. And also smash that like button, that will help us get traction in the YouTube algorithm. That's about it, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.